Hey y'all, welcome to another grocery haul. I'm going to share with you all the items I got on my Walmart grocery pickup today, and I'm also going to share some things that I got from Dollar General. So I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to show you everything I got. Okay y'all, I'm going to start with everything I got at Walmart. I got a package of chicken breast tenderloins, and we're going to use this for an upcoming meal, probably tomorrow. And then I'm trying to eat a little better, so I got this oven roasted turkey breast. It's the carving board kind. I've never had that, but I'm going to try it for like lunches and stuff instead of eating some stuff that's probably a little worse for me. Also, we got some Celsius. What do we have? Sparkling wild berry and peach mango green tea. Some Velveeta slices for sandwiches and stuff. I got some strawberries, some distilled white vinegar, some kosher dill pickles. I love eating pickles for like a snack, and you know, they're not real fattening or anything. I also got 3 jars of Prego homestyle Alfredo sauce. We have 2 cucumbers, and I got 3 of the romaine hearts. This is what I like to get. I used to buy iceberg, but I really like this lettuce better, and I think it's actually better for you. I got some Roma tomatoes. We got 4, and then for like snacking, I got some of the little small, I don't know, grape tomatoes. I'm not really sure what exactly you call those, but they're the little tomatoes. And 2 avocados. And then I also got some of the baked Ruffles, the cheddar and sour cream. The kids love Takis, so we needed more of those. I love this unsweetened medium roast Starbucks iced coffee. Courtney loves it too. And when my niece Peyton comes over, she likes it. So I needed some more of that. And we have not been going through milk like we used to. So instead of getting a gallon of milk, I just got a half gallon. Because our other milk has already went bad and barely any of it was used. So I'm going to see how this goes. If they drink it up, then I'll get more. I also got for myself some of this Chobani Flip peanut butter cup yogurt. I love these. So I got 2 of those. Package of mild cheddar cheese, shredded cheese. I got 2 containers of baking soda. I also got some of these premium shells and cheese. It's the Great Value brand because the kids like these. They're something quick and easy for a snack. Also got some the Dr. Till's sleep bath. I love taking baths at night, and I thought this would be nice and help me relax, and I love the way it smells. I've had this before. I really like it. There's some eggs from our chicken, y'all. We have so many eggs coming from our chickens. Okay, I'm going to come over here. Okay, I'm going to try these wraps. This is jalapeno cheddar, so I'm going to try that for like lunches with that turkey meat. I use a lot of paper plates. I know some people don't agree with that, but I will be honest with you, I do not like doing dishes, so if I can help myself, we'll just use paper plates. So there. The kids wanted Twinkies, and we got some more Cosmic brownies. Courtney picked out some Cheez-It snack mix. She loves this kind of stuff. 28 count of water. And let me come over here. I needed to store away some files and stuff that me and my husband have for his business. So I needed to put all the 2020 or 2021, I can't remember. Anyways, I need to put all the files in here, probably both years. Then I have some Tropical Punch, the body armor. I really love these, so I usually buy those every week, and either me or the kids will drink them. Now for Dollar General, y'all. My baby Bryce is graduating. We're planning his graduation party, and they had these for $1.50. So I thought it would be cool. I'm going to put one probably at the end of the road near the highway for people who aren't real familiar with where we live. That way they can say, oh, there's where we turn, and then I'll have one out front just to kind of be like, here, this is where the house is for the party. And then I got some Scott toilet paper and the Scott paper towels. I don't know why, but I just really like these, and they're usually really inexpensive. And they usually, like this week, they had a coupon, $1 off of each on their app. So if you go to Dollar General and you didn't know, download their app because they have a lot of really good coupons. Like this here, the Gain Fireworks scent beads, the $1 off. I think they were $3.50. Not that these are good for you, but Ross asked for some, so I bought them for him because he would buy them himself if not. But He only will drink like one every now and then. So we got him some of those NOS energy drinks. Other than that, I'm going to walk over here. Y'all, my house needs to be clean, so overlook all this. The kids are over here. We got a second Temu package, and the kids were opening stuff. Adrian got a little mini fishing rod, and he got a fishing net. So, yeah. Okay, y'all, today's video was sponsored by Teddy Blake. Y'all, I'm so excited. They have designer handbags and made in Italy luxury leather. And each Teddy handbag has been made for you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. So, I have not opened this up. Y'all, I have never had a purse this nice before. So, I'm going to open this up and show it to you. Okay, I had Courtney come help me.
It gave her a bag that has it in.
That you can put it in, plus this box. So if you want to store your bag when you're not using it. So Courtney's going to take it out actually and show it to you. And I will list on the screen.
Oh,
I will list or down below I will list which one I got. This one is, I believe, supposed to be like a snake skin or something hide. Or is it crocodile hide? I can't remember.
Down here it just says Teddy Blake, New York. And the sides button.
So if you need it to be bigger, you unbutton the sides to give more room.
Here is a strap.
So you can use it with the strap, or you can just carry it with the handles.
Yep. And they have zippers on the top, right here, on both sides.
I'll take all that out.
And the inside is red, furry.
Oh yeah, it's like a suede on the inside. That is nice.
There's not many pockets, but it's definitely big.
Here, unzip those pockets, Kiki, or Courtney.
It's just
deep pockets on the side. That will be nice.
This will be really cute.
This will be something good for going out to church.
Big, and Mom needs a big purse.
Going to church, going out somewhere where you want to carry something nice.
Clean and good.
Smell like a leather. So anyways, y'all, if you're interested in a designer handbag for a fraction of the price, check out Teddy Blake. I will have a link down below with all of their information so you can go and check out their handbags. They have everything from crossbody purses to the small clutches to big purses like this. So
yep. And they're made in Italy.
So thank you so much, Teddy Blake, for sending me this purse.
Thank you.
Courtney approves.
I do. It's really pretty.